All right, guys, this is the week that I answer your questions. This is a quick video. Someone wanted to know, how do you make keto-friendly eggnog? Okay, so it's really simple. Karen does this every single year. Very simply, 2 cups heavy cream. Make sure it's grass-fed. 1 cup coconut milk, 4 large eggs. Make sure it's pasture-raised, not pasteurized, unless you're concerned about having some type of salmonella, which is so rare, it's usually not going to happen. If you have a higher quality egg, you can consume raw eggs. 3 tablespoons of xylitol. I like xylitol. Some people are concerned with the glycemic index. It's not high, but it is a little bit. If you're concerned about that, add something like swerve or erythritol, or even maybe 10 drops of stevia. You can experiment. All right, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 2 teaspoons cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of allspice. Okay, blend it up, and you have some seriously delicious eggnog. And yes, I know you're probably saying, well, where's the alcohol, right? Well, this is keto-friendly eggnog. All right, enjoy. We'll see you later. Hey, if you're liking this content, please subscribe now, and I will actually keep you updated on future videos.